Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here. Well, today I'm going to be cooking something really special for you. It's chicken with chorizo flavoured potatoes, and you're really going to enjoy this because I know I did. Now the potatoes are going to be cooked, they're new potatoes, they're going to be boiled, they're going to be cooked up with shallots that have been skinned and cut in half, and chorizo. Now I managed to buy some chorizo that was already chopped up, if you like, and it made life a lot easier for me. And they're going to be served up alongside chicken breast that's cut into large portions and fried off with some lovely spices and then plated up. But I'll say no more. Stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. So for the first part of this recipe, we're going to need these ingredients here. We're going to start off with these shallots that have been peeled and cut in half. Then we're going to need a whole tin of chopped tomatoes. And then we'll come to our chorizo. I bought this and it's already been cut up for me, so that saves a bit of work. And then we're going to need 3 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to chop, and these new potatoes, which have been halved or quartered depending on the size. We'll start by boiling these potatoes until they're pretty soft, and then we can get a pan, a bit of cooking oil, in with the potatoes after they've been drained, and we're going to fry these off. Then add the shallots, pop them in they go, give this a mix, get them cooking right the way through, and then we add our chorizo. As soon as that chorizo hits the pan, you can smell it's gorgeous, and when it gets hot, the oil will start to come out. There, I've put 2 packs in here. You can see the colour changing already. It's lovely, isn't it? And those flavours go right into the potatoes and the shallots. Then we can add our chopped up garlic. I didn't want to add this too soon, otherwise it'll burn and get a nasty bitter taste, and we don't want that, do we? No, we definitely don't. Give this a mix around, get everything coated in the oil and the chorizo flavour. In with a can of tomatoes, and this is an added extra. A nice hefty squirt of tomato puree. That will strengthen up the flavour, give it a bit of a stir around, and we want to cook this down for about 15, perhaps 20 minutes. Now for the chicken, we need these spice ingredients. We need some garlic powder, smoked paprika. Then we've got some sage, salt and pepper to taste, and some flour. And there's our chicken. We'll mix the spices together and then we can prepare our chicken. Cut off these little bits of fat, we don't want those, not really. And then we're going to cut the chicken into quite hefty chunks. This is skinless chicken breast. You could use any part of the chicken that's skinless, really. Add our spices and we're going to mix this in. There we go. And then it's off to the pan. Cook your chicken off in batches. That way it fries rather than boils. If you put in too many, all the water comes out. There we go, get them all nicely cooked. Look at that, lovely colour. And there we go, there's the chicken, that's finished. Look out, Colonel Sanders, here I come. There's your potatoes dished up. Can you see all the flavours running out there? Lovely. And we'll top that off with the chicken pieces. Have that bit that fell off. And some shots. So colourful. Try this for yourself, it's brilliant. Oh wow. That is surprisingly good. Really nice. I do like chicken. I do like chicken with a lot of flavour, and this has got a lot of flavour. You could really impress your friends and family with this. It could be a weekday meal or an evening meal. A very special meal, that's for sure. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe and share, and yeah, what more can I say? I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye for now.